Jason Castle with BassBoatElectronics.com here in our showroom to showcase Garmin marine electronics for the 2021 fishing season. First off in our lineup is going to be the Echomap. This series has a great value in screen size, not only in a 7-inch unit, but they also offer a high performance 12-inch display in their Echomap Ultra line. First, let's talk about the Echomap 7 and 9-inch series of displays. The 7-inch unit is going to start at $649 without a transducer and $899 with the new GT56 transducer. Probably the most popular unit from Garmin is definitely going to be the 93 SV unit. This year they bring out the 56 transducer that's going to be a full spectrum transducer. So you get 455, 800, and 1200 kilohertz on your side imaging, as well as all three frequencies on your clear view down imaging screen as well. Of course, it's got built-in chirp sonar, and with the 93 display, it is preloaded with your inland mapping, so you get high resolution, 1-foot contour lines, and your color shading option so you can customize how you navigate and fish that body of water. Moving up to the Echomap line of units. These high resolution displays are going to be offered in a 10-inch and a 12-inch display. So everything that the Echomap 7 and 9 have to offer, but now in a high resolution IPS display. That basically just means it's an in-plane switching display, so you can view it from multiple angles with polarized sunglasses in bright sunlight on the water. These 10-inch units offer a more robust display and gimbal mount system, as well as dual network ports, so you can run LiveScope into one and out to another unit to make a full network display for all your sharing of map detail, waypoints, and of course sonar. The Echomap Ultra line is going to be extremely easy to use, large icons, and the ability to customize all your panels very easily with a touchscreen operation. Alright guys, let's dig into the GPSMap line of units from Garmin. So GPSMap line of units is designed to work all as one family, just as the Echomap line of units are. The GPSMap line of units basically break down into two categories. They've got a keyed unit, so a non-touch display, and they also have a ton of different touch models available. Another main characteristic is going to be if they have built-in sonar or if they're a display only. By far the best value when adding LiveScope to your boat is going to be your 1022 and your 1222 keyed units. So the lower price point unit where it doesn't have a preloaded sonar port and they're not preloaded with mapping, but basically give you all the benefits of the rotary knob so you can zoom in and dial in your LiveScope display. Next, as far as the GPSMap line of units go, is going to be their touch units. So again, all the easy features and convenience that you're used to touch, just on a more compact display. And now for 2021, they've rolled out their 743, 943, and 1243 displays that add the IPS display found in their 86 series display in a more compact offering. They also top off with the 86 series that's going to be a full 1080 resolution display, camera inputs, so you've got HDMI in, HDMI out, and it's going to be your top dog. Alright guys, let's discuss the Garmin LiveScope system. This thing has changed the fishing industry over the past couple of years. Now, starting February 11th, Garmin is going to announce that they're going to come out with, they're going to extend the $200 rebate. So if you haven't taken advantage of this rebate in the past, now will be a great opportunity. Alright guys, let's dive into the Force trolling motor from Garmin. This thing is a beast. Super tough design, but by far the best value and performance of this trolling motor is going to be the brushless motor system. So with a brushless motor, now you don't have to pick between 24 volt or 36 volt operation. You get it both. It automatically senses your voltage and runs on that voltage. Now, with the trolling motor itself, it is super efficient, and Garmin is the only one that actually measures their pound of thrust with a standard. So they're going to spec out at 80 pounds of thrust if you're running in 24 volt and 100 pounds of thrust in the 36 volt operation. The design and construction of the Garmin Force trolling motor had a lot of thought and R&D put into it. Extremely simple scissor design, however it's very robust and durable. It has a push and pull shock, so not only does it assist on the way down, but it assists on the way up. Garmin also has the GT54 transducer built into the nose of the Garmin Force. So this gives you ultra high definition for your side imaging in the 455 and 1200 kilohertz, and your ultra high definition for your clear view in the 800 kilohertz, and your built-in chirp sonar. Plug and play on any 12-pin Garmin display. So now you have full sonar support for Garmin, and you can wirelessly control the trolling motor from your compatible chart plotter. Another great feature of the Garmin Force is going to be the remote control. So my favorite thing on the remote control is the fact that it floats. So if you toss this thing in the lake, it's not going to go straight to the bottom. It actually floats. Operates on 2 AA batteries. You have point steer, so you actually have a gesture control, and then all your speed control functions. You can switch some multifunction display, different panels from the actual remote. And again, just the ability to control your settings and navigate through fits very easily in your hand. And of course, it floats, which is key on the water. All right, guys, we hope you enjoyed the 2021 lineup from Garmin Electronics. There is a big difference between the Echomap and GPSMap line, and they do have a ton of different displays, so it can be pretty confusing. But if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us. We've got our 1-800 number set up for any sales questions. And of course, if you've purchased from us, we've got our tech support line available to you as well. Feel free to stop by our showroom, 1230 Topside Road, to view all Garmin electronics, including all their accessories, transducers, and cables. And we hope you guys have a blessed fishing season in the 2021 season. And thank you to the Fishing Show for putting on this virtual event. I'm Jason Castle, signing off. That wasn't a very good high kick.